In this video, I'll show you how to download Ubuntu on Windows 11. This video is usually for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, make sure you have created an account. You can be able to create an account so you can sign in if you want. But if it's your first time, you need to come on to ubuntu.com/download/desktop. So this is it. This is it right here. This page is going to open up. Now, make sure you have read through everything here about the Ubuntu. And you're going to see the download size for different versions. So this is the Intel or AMD 6-bit architecture is 5.9 gig. You're going to see this one is 5.3. You're going to see this one is 3.6. So I recommend this best version, which is the Intel or AMD. So if you tap on how to install, you're going to see different things you can do here. You get? So you can be able to install the iOS image, create a bootable. So this is it. So these are the system requirements. So your system should be very good for it to run on your system. So these are the new things. So this is it. Just once you're done, tap on the download. You're going to be able to install it here on your PC, your Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe.